that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is accessible to everyone at any time. Which does not mean that you can't intercede in asking people to make dua for you. You can't. That's a type of intercession. But it's an intercession with the understanding that you think that's a real person who's close to Allah. So if I say to you, make dua for me, that's a type of shafa'ah. There's nothing wrong with that. The khilaf is about living and dead people. That's where you get into big debates about whether dead people can still make dua for people. And I don't even want to go there because it's one of those can of worms that has endless discussion on it. But this shafa'ah is agreed upon, that you can ask a living person to make intercession for you. When you go to Mecca, pray for me at the Kaaba. That's from the hadith, "Uthkurni 'inda rabbika ya ukhay." When Sayyidina Omar was going to Mecca, the Prophet asked for dua. He doesn't need Omar's dua. Omar needs his dua, but he was teaching the community that if you see good in a person, ask for their dua.